Hi, it's Sharon here, and in this video, I'd like to share with you 3 simple self-help holds from Jin Shin Jyutsu, which you can use to help yourself have a better night's sleep. Okay, so the first one, I invite you to just take one hand, place it on the opposite cheekbone, and just very gently, you just don't need to press or squeeze, just hold the next hand on the opposite one there. Okay, or if that doesn't feel very comfortable, just do one. Drop your shoulders, breathe out. This really helps to bring excess energy and overthinking from the head down into the body. So this really helps us to get a better night's sleep. So perhaps just try this for yourself, see how that helps you. Okay, next one you can try is just go to the base of the opposite thumb with one hand and just gently wrap the fingers around. Just again, finding a comfortable hold for yourself. Drop your shoulders and breathe out. And with all of these holds, you can spend as long or as little as you want on them. Okay, so very gently, just holding there. Dropping the shoulders and breathing out. And this is actually really nice to do in bed. You can just like lie on one side and place your hands there. They sometimes naturally fall into that position. Okay, so there's 2 methods that you could try. If you're still having problems getting off to sleep, then another one you can try is to go to the thumb with the opposite hand very gently. Again, drop your shoulders, breathe out, and just count 1 exhale. And allow the breath to come back in naturally. Count the next exhale 2. Allow the breath to come back in. Count 3. And just keep going on like this until you get up to 36 exhales on that thumb. And if you're still awake, do 36 exhales on the next finger, and just keep moving through until you fall asleep. Or if that hasn't helped you fall asleep, then through the process, at least while you're in that space, you can be energizing yourself and nourishing and regenerating your system. Okay, so, and I'll give you a little tip. Sometimes to get to 36 could be quite difficult because you get so far and then you sort of lose count because you've got too relaxed. So what you could do is count up to 18 and then another 18, or count to 9 and do that 4 times. But you're just getting yourself up to 36 exhales. Okay, hope that's helpful. I'd love to know how you get on if you try that. And if you'd like to know more about Jin Shin Jyutsu, please do get in touch. Okay, bye for now.